Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever come across a situation where you cannot use your main DJ rig and need a portable backup rig? Well, using an iPad to DJ could be a very easy solution to that problem. Today, I'll be showing you how you can connect your favorite DJ controller to an iPad and make an ultra portable DJ rig. In order to connect your controller to the iPad, you will need an Apple USB camera connection kit dongle. As the iPad alone cannot provide sufficient power, you will need a camera connection kit that has a separate power supply. First, connect the lightning power cable to the dongle. Then, plug in your USB DJ controller to the dongle. And finally, connect the dongle to the iPad. You should now be able to use your DJ controller with your iPad DJ app. Thank you for watching the video. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more music technology tips and techniques.